say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another day in the life, y'all. I was about to say Friday. It's Saturday and we are at the mall. We're at the mall. I just got Auntie Ann's, and y'all, I'm waiting on that pretzel because I want it to be fresh, so they're cooking it fresh for me. I got me a strawberry mixer, and y'all, if you have never had Auntie Ann's, you're missing out. You're missing out. You need to try it. But we are just out, just seeing what they have. I think I'm getting ready to go in Bath and Body Works because it looked like they have some sales. We got our pretzel, y'all. I'm about to smash this joint. Guys, we just got back home and we ended up going to another mall. Skylar did mini golf, so I'll insert a clip right here so you guys can see her playing mini golf.
Cause I knew I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to read.
You got your daughter beat you, man.
Guys, about having fun, right? About
Shut the heck up. You're the most competitive person. What's Skylar? Did you do this one?
Yeah.
She enjoyed mini golf, but I did get something from Bath and Body Works. Y'all, I have so many wallflowers, but I haven't been using them because I can't find my outlets. I don't know what I did with them when I packed up moving from Washington State, and y'all, that's been a year. So that lets you know, like, I haven't used no wallflowers in like a year. And I never bought some new ones because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna find them, but y'all, I can't find them things. They was probably in a box or something and just got thrown away. So I got some new ones, and I just got these. This one was on sale. It was originally $10.50, but it was on sale for $5.50. And then I got these. Like, I got these colors right here. I got one limoncello. Y'all know limoncello is my absolute favorite. If you don't know, I love lemon scents. This is what the limoncello looks like. It's yellow. Y'all try it out, especially if you like lemon scent. Room sprays, they had those on sale. I think they were 3 for $20. So I got 3 different scents. Mahogany tea wood is a really strong fragrance. If you guys never smelled it, it's really good. It smells like some mint cologne, honestly. Then marshmallow fireside, y'all, this smells so good. I love fireside by itself, so this marshmallow fireside scent is amazing. And then I got this stress relief fragrance, and I love the energy fragrance as well, and that has more of a ginger smell to it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works, and I wanted to get some candles, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't need no more candles right now. So I'm getting ready to film. I'm about to put this dress on right here, film a video real quick while everybody's asleep. What's up, guys? So it's another day. It's a beautiful day.
Hey guys, I'm going to get mommy a band-aid, and then I'm going to get LOL.
You gonna give me a band-aid?
And then LOL.
And an LOL? Okay, so we are getting ready to head to the grocery store because I am going to be cooking hamburger and gravy today with mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. And what else? I wrote down all the sides and everything that I'm going to cook along with it, along with a whole list of meals that I'm going to cook for the week, y'all. Since I went to North Carolina and just coming back home, trying to get in the groove of things and cooking, and now that Summer is older and she's into things and she's not taking as many naps as she once was, it's different. It's harder to get stuff done. And then I went to cook bourbon chicken, y'all. I was talking to my sister yesterday, and she was like, she wants some bourbon chicken. She was like, she was gonna cook some. So I was like, you know what, that chicken looked good, and your girl wants some. So I am going to be cooking that this week, and I don't have a third meal yet, do I? No, I don't have a third meal. So I gotta figure something else out that I want to cook, and I'm trying to write out a list. So when I get to the grocery store, I'm not trying to go off of what's in my brain, because then I just start putting everything in the cart and I'm trying to budget. So we don't need that, okay? We need a list of things to get so we can get what we need and get out. So let's head to the grocery store.
We're not getting no candy.
We're not getting any candy. You said that right, girl. If you guys are wondering about my eyelashes, these are my most natural style lash that's on my website. So if y'all are looking for some really natural lashes, check those out. And what's on my lips is from Belle as well. And this is the lip gloss Angel. Hey girl. I spent all that time at home making a list, a grocery list, and I forgot it in the car in the diaper bag.
And look like that.
But I'm not going back to the car.
And look like
Forget
that.
it. Oh my goodness, all the time. So yeah, I'm not going back to the car, so I'm just gonna have to go off my head. I already know I'm about to just spend unnecessary amounts of money because I done forgot what I wrote down.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you.
So I have to do Skylar's hair this week. Tied her the 2 puffs. I need to put some braids in it. I'm gonna do her wash day routine for you guys, and I'm gonna record the style that I do her hair in. But I love to use this Murray's Edge Wax for her hair. Y'all, these little containers are so cute. I'm the type of person, I'll just buy this because it looks so cute. $2 for this little thing, when you can get the big one for like $3, $4. But this is so cute if you need to travel and you don't want to take the big one. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Two major, okay.
You got 2? Put them in. Uh-oh. Good job. We got 2. Put them in there with you. Put them down there with you. Y'all, these are the crispy onions that I've been looking for. I'm going to go ahead and get 2 packs, and they're on sale. We are back in the car. The girls did really good in the store. So since Skylar did good, what did you get?
LOL, but I just cried. I get LOL.
Yes, because you didn't cry. So they did good. Sammy, around the end, Sammy was like getting tired and ready to get out. We was in there for like an hour. But I got her some little cookies, and I gave her some cookies, and she was just eating those, but they did really good. So I did good because I set a budget for myself. I set $100 for groceries this week, and actually I spent under 100. It came up to 126, but I got laundry detergent. I got, what else? I got some stuff for Skylar's hair that wasn't food, so you know, it came up to under $100 for food wise. So girl did good. So give this video a thumbs up because your girl did good. All right, but we are getting ready to head home. I don't know if I want to test my luck and go to Dollar Tree. I really want to go to Dollar Tree, but I think we might go back home. So I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I'm going to cook hamburger and gravy for dinner tonight with macaroni and cheese. I already have some corn left over from the last night when I had cooked corn, and then probably some green beans. That's like a quick and easy meal. Oh, mashed potatoes to go along with the hamburger and gravy. So let me go ahead and preheat the oven. If y'all didn't know, when I get eggs, I like to take them out of the carton and put them in like this little carton tray. I got this from Home Goods, and it was like $4.99. You want what? When we make our cupcakes, you get icing.
No, I want some.
Y'all, we always get those Minute Maid juices. I got some of those, but I also got this one right here, and it has 0 sugar. I saw somebody else, it's new, but I saw somebody else, well no, I think they have more flavor. I don't know if it's new or not, but I saw somebody else getting it, and then I asked her, I was like, is that really good? And she was like, she just found out that she was diabetic or something, so she's been looking for, you know, healthier options of stuff. So she saw this and she tried the fruit punch and she said it was so good. So I was like, she convinced me to get it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this out. If y'all remember, probably like 2 vlogs ago, I was talking about the crispy onions that you can put in your salads. I found them. I finally found them. Thank you. Shout out to everybody who sent them to me on Instagram. That y'all sent me links to where I could get them online. So glad I found it in the store. And then Sean likes to put these in his salads. Is this the flavor he get? I don't know. I know he get like the tortilla strips. So yeah, he likes to put those in his salad. Y'all, we've had this for probably since the beginning of the year, or maybe we got it probably like last year, but I absolutely love this water purifier. I don't know how much water it holds, but I absolutely love that water purifier. And I love that you just, you know, let me show you how it's made. So you just put your cup under there and, you know, it's so easy. So when I'm filling up Skylar's cup, all I have to do is put her cup under there and boom. So what, baby?
We got the icing.
We got icing because we're going to make cupcakes this week.
Yeah, can I eat it?
Skylar. Skylar J. Robinson. So in the last vlog, I showed y'all that I drink the caramel coffee, and I was asking y'all if it was some other kind of coffee, like the K-Cups, that I could get like a different brand. So this time, just to save a couple dollars, instead of getting the Starbucks kind, I think it's like $8 for like the small pack, I was like, let me just try this out. And this is Myers brand, and it's caramel vanilla cream, and I'm excited to try this out. So I'll let you guys know what I think about that coffee. A few more things I got some Gatorade, got some bagel bites. Never gotten these before. I just thought these would be really cool for Skylar to eat. I think it's like a breakfast. I don't know. I just know she loves pizza and maybe she'll like these. These little biscuits right here, these are good for summer. I know it say 10 months, but it also say crawler, and she's been eating them, so she loves those just like as a little snack. I got some pizzas for like lunchtime during the week. Y'all, I found some Spick and Span. This is like the only antibacterial cleaner that they had, and anytime I see it in the store, I'm getting it. Then I got some sweet potatoes, avocados. I want to try to do some meals with avocado this week for summer. I got some sweet tomatoes to go with my salads. I got some crinkle cut carrots. I'm gonna make like a vegetable stir fry or something this week, I'm thinking. And then this is the chicken that I got from my bourbon chicken, and I'm going to do a cook with me video showing you guys how I cook the bourbon chicken whenever I cook it this week. So stay tuned for that video. It's my first time cooking bourbon chicken, and maybe we'll do like a husband reaction. I'll get Sean's reaction to the food. He usually likes my food, so yeah, but we'll get his reaction to it. But let me go ahead and finish cooking. Oh, got me a watermelon. So for my ground beef today, I'm going to season it with Lawry's seasoning salt, a little mixed garlic, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I meant to get like some peppers and onions when I was in the grocery store. I knew I was forgetting something. I told y'all I left my list in the car, so I forgot to get that. And I was supposed to get some meatballs so I can make some meatballs for Skylar because she loves meatballs. That's like something for her to eat at lunch. Now I can just put those in a crock pot, let them cook, and she can just eat on those like for a few days. But I forgot my peppers and my onions because I just wanted to put that in with the hamburger and the gravy and all that, and I just knew it was gonna be so good. But it's okay, I use these minced onions, and you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. I was just reading the comments under the vlog that I just posted today, and G and Thompson, I know I always mess up your name, I'm so sorry, please forgive me. I'm just gonna call you Miss Thompson, okay, because it's your last name. But you asked what are some everyday lashes that you can wear to work, and these lashes that I have on right now, these are my most natural pair of lashes. And y'all, when I say they're natural, they are natural and they are so beautiful. And these are like a everyday lash. I really feel like you can't even tell that I have lashes on. It just looks like I have long lashes. So yeah, these are the lash style for you if you want something that's really, really natural, but you still want a little oomph. You know, you want something that's gonna give you that little oomph. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like in the pack. So here's what they look like right here. Uh-oh, focus. Here's what they look like in the pack. As you can see, they're really natural. So I patted up that 1 pack of ground beef, and I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. I'm sitting here talking to y'all, and I forgot that's what I was supposed to be doing. So it's time to make this macaroni cheese. It's 6:04. Kitchen clean. Dinner is ready. We haven't ate yet. Say hey. Sammy girl just woke up.
With my basketball. Hey guys, I play with my basketball.
Say what?
I play with my basketball.
Are you ready to eat dinner?
Uh-huh.
You are? Sammy girl, hey! So y'all, before I end the vlog and before I put the food up, definitely wanted to show you guys how everything turned out. Everything was good. Here's the corn, hamburger and gravy, macaroni and cheese, and then here's the mashed potatoes. So yeah, everything was good. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Y'all, Summer pulled out my other earring. Oh, I feel like something is in my eye. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, oh my gosh, there's something in my eye. Right, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you guys. I'm so sleepy. I will see you guys in my next video.